Hello, my name's Sean Elmore and welcome to my review of the Simple Traffic Blueprint. If you're watching this video today, it's probably because you are literally on the fence about whether or not you should be joining Philip Bowerman's Simple Traffic Blueprint program. I completely understand how you feel. I've been there myself and I did the same process, so you're in good hands. And in today's video, I want to take you behind the scenes so you know exactly what it is you're going to be getting if you decide to jump on board. And if you stick with me to the end, I've got a great bonus for you. And you'll also, if you decide to join through my link in the description, you'll get a reduction in the cost. Whereas it would normally sell for $49.99, you will get it for $14.99, which is the price of a pizza for a training that was actually take you from A to Z and actually show you how to make a real income from internet marketing. So who is this video today for? So if you're a complete beginner, you're in luck because you've managed to stumble across a genuine course which takes you A to Z in how to set up and start making an income from internet affiliate marketing. Equally, if you're someone that's been around for a while and you're fed up of spinning your wheels, not knowing which way to go, perhaps you've spent too much of your time and your money on jumping from shiny object to shiny object, something that I struggled with for a long time, or perhaps you just don't know who to trust anymore because you've done it for such a long time and you've never had any success and you've sort of given up faith. So trust me, if you're in any of those categories, then you're in the right place, because I've been there and Philip's also been there as well. So without further ado, I just want to introduce you to Philip so you know exactly who he is. So just so you understand, Philip's human like the rest of us. He started his journey back in 2012. He didn't hit a home run out the park in his first attempt. Trust me, he spent many years trying. I think previously he was a bartender and he's also a baker. And he decided that wasn't the right thing for him to do. Looked online, saw the same things that many of us have seen online in terms of you can make so much money, and it just never panned out that way. But what he did do is when he did finally make a success, he managed to put all the pieces together, which quite often many of us struggle with. It's just very, very difficult to get all those pieces to fit together. He did that, and once he'd managed to do that, just by his own nature, he is a teacher. He likes to teach. So he put together some training courses, of course, the Simple Traffic Blueprint, which will show you, in an honest, genuine, step-by-step way, how to make an income from the internet. And it's a simple 3-step process. Not only is it a simple 3-step process, it actually uses a completely free traffic method. So there's no need to worry about spending any extra money on advertising or anything like that. It's completely beginner friendly. It's simple to implement. As I said, you're going to be using a free traffic source, which is YouTube, which is where you are today. It's scalable, honest, and evergreen as well. So it's a one-time payment. There's no upgrades. And it's risk-free because you have got a money-back guarantee if you decide it's not for you. But trust me, once you've seen the back office, I'm sure you'll agree that for that $14.99 you cannot go wrong. So let's have a look. As I said, it's a simple 3-step process. So you choose one of the done for you niches, or you find one of your own if you've got a particular area that you're interested in and you want to pursue. You're more than welcome to do that. But they are super easy to find once you're shown how to find them. The next step is to create simple, basic tutorial videos. That's it. And don't worry, you don't have to get in front of a camera. The video you're watching right now, you can't see me. So you don't have to worry about, if you are worried about getting in front of a camera, don't, because you don't have to do that. And then you basically generate the free traffic to a squeeze page. So it's just a 3-step process, and after that it's just a case of rinsing and repeating. It is as simple as that. And I think that's where people get lost sometimes, because they try to overcomplicate things, and what Philip's done is he's broken it down in a really, really simple manner. And once you see the training, which I'm going to take you to in a second, you'll understand that it does make sense. And if you just follow exactly what he says and you implement what he says, because nothing happens unless you take action, then success will follow. So this is the back office of the course. The course is broken down into 4 main steps, so that it's broken into 31 lessons. So there's lots for you to implement, but it's very, very easy to follow, and I think that's one of the main benefits of the course. It's sequentially done, so it's easy to follow along. Everything's done with a video, so you can't go wrong. And if you are stuck, then you can get in touch with him, which I'll talk about in a bit later on when I talk to you about what bonuses you'll get if you decide to join as well. So how's the training broken down? So you've got an introduction section, a getting started, an implementation section, which obviously is the most important bit, because like I said, if you don't take action, nothing happens. And then a conclusion, which I'll go through each one of these so you understand a little bit more about how it's broken down. So you've got an introduction, and actually I'll go to the overview strategy, because that's really quite important, because it shows you in a granular fashion how it's broken down. So each one of these steps is the steps that you'll go through. So from identifying your niche, setting up the basic framework of a website, getting set up on YouTube. So he talks you through how to actually do that and how to do it properly. How to get your videos linked to your landing pages, so when your visitors go through your link, where they go to, etc. The email addresses that you'll collect, and then you'll build up your own email list, and they all say that the money is in the list, and then how you automate all those things. And then this is the most important bit, because people think there must be much more to this, but there isn't. Once you've set up the basic framework, you understand the fundamentals, you understand the basics of what you should be doing, and it is as simple as just rinsing and repeating, and that's it. But I completely understand, and I had the same issues myself. It's actually going through these stages here. Sometimes, despite buying courses that say they show you how to do it, they don't actually break it down into a granular fashion, so you can follow along literally step by step, which you get with this course. So like I said, again, I can't keep saying it, but the price is just incredible for what you actually get. So if I go back to the rest of the videos, so the introduction, overview strategy, frequently answered questions. He talks you through some case studies again, which I'll go through in a second, and then this is the bit you need to take note of: essential tools. Now, $14.99 is the cost of the course. You've got to be prepared to put some investment in to actually build your business. You can't build a business without any investment. I've got to be upfront and just tell you that right now. So if you're not prepared to invest in some basic tools, which doesn't cost a lot of money, you will need something to help build a page. You will need hosting, which costs you like $5 a month or whatever it is, and you'll need an email autoresponder, so you can send messages to your audience once you've got them on board in your autoresponder, and that's pretty much it. But if you translate that into actually having a brick and mortar business, then there's no comparison. The internet business is the easiest way to get started, and the costs are minimal. But you will have to be prepared to invest that money to get started. And then there's some of the bonuses here, which you'll see if you decide to join. So a video script planner, productivity sheets as well, which just really helps you plan what you're going to be doing. So he's got everything covered here, really. Even the mindset thing, because I think a lot of people don't really understand that you have to have the right mindset to make a success of anything in life. More so when you're doing this perhaps you're doing it after work and things like that. You need to get your mindset right. So in the second section, this is the getting started. So he talks you through the niche selection, which is really important. Choosing your domain name. He's even got a video that talks you about how you should go about choosing a domain name and why you would choose a certain domain name against another one. Building websites, the basics. Like I said, setting up YouTube, so you've got your platform to start driving some free traffic. How to set up your email. Building a website, and the finishing touches, so you can connect all those moving pieces. You connect them all together so you have a working business model, and that's the most important bit. And then once you've completed all that, then it's a case of implementing it. So you'll then continue to rinse and repeat. So content creation. How do you go about keyword research for your videos? He talks you through each one of these stages so you become an expert in your own right, so you understand how to do it. Choosing products to promote. Again, quite often you won't know what sort of products you can promote depending on the niche you go into. All this is covered in the training. Planning, so creating your video, how do you plan? You need to make sure you know what the content is going to be in that video so that you can produce good content, because that's what people want. SEO cheat sheet as well, so how you actually make sure your videos are optimized. The recording side of things, how you upload your video, and then designing your landing page. Pretty much everything is covered in this. You can't go wrong, and if you do get stuck, you can ask for help, and I'll talk about that in a second. And this is the most important bit, the rinse and repeat. And again, a bit of mindset here, where he talks about, do you have what it takes? Because a lot of people, they'll get started in something and very quickly they'll lose momentum because something's not happening quick enough for them. You need to get into the right mindset and know that if you commit to something, it's not going to happen in the first week or 2 weeks. You just need to understand that as long as you follow a proven plan and you execute regularly, you will get there. So that is really the back office of the course. You can see it's a really, really comprehensive video training series. If you're seriously if you really want to make a go of internet marketing, it's a great way to start, and you will have a working funnel and business at the end of you going through that. If you decide to join, he has got some other bonuses as well, which are real eye-openers, because he tells you how he's used his own strategies to achieve monetary income, and he talks you through that in these bonuses. So let me just take you to those so you see exactly what you get. This is the first bonus. This is a case study where he shows you how you can make passive income using your videos. Once you've done your channel, you start driving traffic to your offers. It just shows you how he was able to bring in $200 for 12 months passively, and if you put in a bit of extra effort, you can actually increase that. And this is once you've done the work, it's there forever, and that's your first bonus. The second bonus is another case study where he shows you how he doubles his sales and triples his leads through using this strategy, and he did it in only 30 days. Again, you get this as part of you joining the program. This one is incredible because I don't think I've been a part of any other course where you get access to the course creator's telephone number. So if you need help, all you need to do is send him a message and he will come back to you. And trust me, he's a machine. I think the only time you'll have a delay in getting a message back is if he's asleep or in the shower, and they're his words. So you can't really put a price on this because that's incredible. No other course will give you that. Bonus number 4 is access to the 12-step affiliate action plan. It's a 12-step action plan that will help you move away from shiny objects, something that we have all suffered from unless you're a complete beginner, where you just need to be focused, and this will help you get there quicker. And then access to the inner circle, which is our Facebook group. And again, this is a great group of people that are all on the same journey, all have the same issues and problems, and we all come together and make sure that we help each other get to our goals. So it's a fantastic place, and again, if you've got questions and things, you can post it in there and people will come back to you directly. So all in all, it's a fantastic offer. And if you do decide to join, as I said at the beginning of the video, the bonus I'm going to give you is I'm going to become your accountability partner as well. So you'll not only have the Facebook group to help answer any of your questions, you'll obviously have Philip on speed dial on his WhatsApp as well if you want to message him. But I will be there as an accountability partner to make sure that you're doing what you should be doing, and if you've got any questions or if you're stuck, you can bounce off me and I'll do my best to help you out as well. Again, that you can't really put a figure on that, but easily it's $397. It's my time and I'm there for you if you need me. So all in all, it's a fantastic offer, and as I said, if you decide to join through my link, it's $14.99, which is incredible value for exactly what you get with this program. So just in conclusion, if you're looking for a legitimate training course that will show you step by step how to become an affiliate marketer, you need to be joining. If you're prepared to treat this as like a business, and you treat it that way, then this is definitely for you. You'll be with a group of like-minded people that will help you make a success of your affiliate marketing journey. So I hope to see you on the inside. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.